Are you ready for winter garden prep? As the chill sets in, your garden needs some TLC to thrive through the frosty months. Winter garden prep is all about nurturing and safeguarding your green sanctuary. In this video, we will provide you with easy-to-follow steps on how to prepare your garden for the winter season. The first step in winter garden prep is clearing your garden. It's essential to eliminate all dead plants and leaves, as these can be a breeding ground for diseases and pests during the chilly months. A clean garden is the first step towards a successful winter garden prep. The next step is mulching and composting. This dynamic duo shields the soil from harsh winter elements while nourishing your plants. Mulch acts as a blanket while compost serves as a nutrient-rich feast. Mulching and composting not only protect your plants but also enrich your soil. The final step is protecting your plants. During winter, safeguard your green friends through methods like plant covers, creating a cozy barrier against the chill. Alternatively, consider moving potted plants indoors to ensure they stay warm. With these steps, your garden will be well prepared to face the cold winter months. Winter garden prep may seem daunting, but with these steps, it becomes manageable. Clearing, mulching, composting, and protecting your plants are key to a thriving winter garden. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more garden tips and tricks.